Hi friends, welcome to our channel. I am here to explain next half of the second chapter. Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every 7th square. Bunny on every 5th square. Taru on every 4th square. Gabru starts jumping from square number 90. Bunny starts jumping from square number 99. Taru starts jumping from square number 106. Where is Gabru? Gabru is here. So Gabru jumps on every 7th square. Then Bunny is on the 99th square. So he jumps on every 5th square. That is 104. Next Taru. Where Taru is? Taru is in the square 106. He jumps on every 4th square. Like that they will jump on until 3 of them reach the same square. So their jumps goes on. Let me write their jumps. I am writing here Gabru, Bunny and Taru. Gabru is on the square 90. Bunny is in the square 99. Taru is on the square 106. Initially they are in these squares. Gabru jumps on every 7th square. Bunny jumps on every 5th square. And Taru jumps on every 4th square. So I am going to write the next jumps till 3 of them reach on the same square. So the jumps continues till 3 of them reach the same square. Okay. See here, you should add 90 plus 7. So you can add in this way also 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. In this method you can add. Otherwise you can add like this. In our normal max method, 97 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4 here, 1 carry over here. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 104. Next jump is 104. So that the jumps go on like this. So I am doing in the mind. I will complete it fast. You can do your convenient method. So next 104 plus 7 is 111. Next jump is 118. Next jump is 125. Next jump is 132. Next jump is 139. Next jump is 146. Next jump is 153. Next jump is 160. Next jump is 167. Next jump is 174. I am stopping up to this. Now I am moving on to Bunny. Bunny is in the square 99 and he jumps on every 5th square. So 99 plus 5 is 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. So which is 104. Next jump is 109. Students, you can add in your own convenient method. You can do in the mind also as I am doing. 114. Next 119. Next 124. Next 129. Next 134. Next 139. Next 139 plus 5 is 144. 144 plus 5 is 149. Plus 5 is 154. Plus 5 is 159. Next again plus 5 is 159 plus 5 is 164. Then 169. Then 174. I am stopping up to this. I told we should stop up to 3 of them jump in the same square number. 174 is here. Here also 174. We will see Taru now. So 106. Taru is in the square 106. He jumps on every 4th square, which is 107, 108, 109, 110. Next jump is 110. Next we will add. Next jump will be 114. Next is 118. Next jump is 122. next 126, next 130, next 134, next is 138, next 142, next 146, next 150, next jump will be 154, next jump will be 158, next 162, 166, 170, 174. So 3 of them reached the same jump, the square number 174. So should stop up to this. Now we will move on to the question given here. Gabru, Bunny both jump on square. In which square number both jump? They are asking in which square number both jump. That is same square number. We will see Gabru and Bunny. Already they have given 104. So already they have given 104. Yes, 104 the same square number. They jump on the same square number. Like that, any other square number, same square number is there, you check it. Next square numbers, next which number same? 139. Yes, 139. Next check whether which numbers, another square number in which they jump, same jump, which is 174. Yes, now the answer will be 104, next 139, 174. Next question is that Taru and Bunny jumps on squares. Now we will see Taru and Bunny. We will check with both of them. In which square number they jump, in which same square number they jump. Check first. Is 114. They jump on the same square number 114. Then 134. Next 154. Next last is 174. Yes, in which jump the Taru and Bunny on the same square, in which they jump on the same square in 114, next 134, next 154, and last is 174. Is there any square where all three of them jump? Yes, the last jump, all three of them jump in the square 174. Answer is 174. Guess who will finish in the least jumps dash in how many jumps? See here, who has finished the jumps in the less number of times? See here, Gabru, Bunny and Taru. We can identify that Gabru only completed the jump first, because here only less number of jumps is there compared to Bunny and Taru. We can see how many jumps here Gabru has jumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Already is in the 19th square, so we should not count this. We should start counting from here only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer will be Gabru. He finishes in 12 jumps. How many jumps? 12 jumps. So guess who will finish in least jumps? Gabru. In how many jumps? 12 jumps. I hope you understand this. I'll move on to next topic. Jump 2 steps forward. What is meant by jump 2 steps forward? Which means you have to add 2 numbers to this. 104 plus 2 is 106. 106 plus 2 is 108. 108 plus 2 is 110. 110 plus 2 is 112. Otherwise you can keep 2 fingers like this and you can add 112 after 113, 114. 114 after 115, 116. Okay, we completed this. Next, jump 2 steps backward. Jump 2 steps backward means That means you have to subtract two numbers from this number. That is 262 minus 2 is 260. 260 minus 2 is 258. 258 minus 2 is 256. 256 minus 2 is 254. You can keep, otherwise if you confuse with this, you can keep two fingers and you can count the before numbers. 254 before is 253, then 252. So answer is 252. Next is you keep then again two fingers, then you count before number of this 251, then 250. So answer is 250. Now jump 10 steps forward. This is very easy. You can count 10 steps forward easy. Okay, now we can count this 110, 120, 130, then 140. Next 150. Next 160. Next 170. Now 10 steps backward. That means you have to go minus 10 numbers from this. So this is forward, this is backward. So listen to the question carefully, students. You have to check whether it is forward or backward. So 200, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140. So we completed this. Next, continue the pattern. So we have to continue this pattern. We have to check this number itself. They have not given whether it is forward or backward. We should itself check what they are. See here, 550, 560, 570. Whether it is backward or forward. It is forward number. How much number it is forward? How many jump it is forward? Yes, it is 10 numbers forward. That means you have to jump 10 numbers after forward. 550, 560, 570, then 580, then 590, then 600, then 610. See here, next we'll check it. 910, 920, 930, 940. It is also similar of this pattern. Yes, this is also 10 steps forward. So we'll write this answer. 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980. Now moving on to this. 209, 207, 205. What is this? Check this. What they have given? 975. This is forward or backward? Yes, this is backward. They have subtracted how much numbers? 2 numbers. So we'll also do this pattern like this. 205 minus 2 is, you can keep two fingers if you feel difficult. 204, 203. Next 201. You can keep this hand. 201 before, 200, 199. 199 before, 198, 197. So we completed this. We move on to this. We'll check what pattern is this. 401, 402, 403. What is this? Next number. They are writing the next numbers. So we'll continue the pattern in the same way. 403 after 404. One step forward. Only one step forward you have to write. This is very simple. 405, 406, 407. Yes, we completed this page. We move on to next page. See a lazy crazy shop. This is the jungle shop. Jungle means what? Jungle means forest. Lazy crazy gives things only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose items. Find out how many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items each animal will take. Fill in the blanks. So he will take he will give the packets in the form of tens, hundreds and loose items only. So we will check how many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items each animal will take. So we have to fill in this blanks. See here, 143. They have given already answer for this. So according to the place value, 3 is in the position of ones, 4 is in the position of tens, 1 is in the position of 100. So packets of 100, how much packets of 100 is there? See here, in 100's position, what number is there? 100 position 1 is there. So 100 packet is there. So you have to draw only 100 packet of carrot. Next, packets of 10. See, in 10's place, what number is there? 4 is there. So how many 10 packets are there? 4 10 packets are there. 1 2 3 4. So 4 10 packets are there. How many loose items are there? Loose items denotes the number of ones in this place. In ones place, how many number is there? 3. 3 is there. So how much loose item is there? 3. 3 carrots are there. Okay. So similarly we can do this also. So 0 is ones, then tens, then hundreds. So packets of 100. See, in 100 place what number is there? 2. So you have to draw 200 packets. So I am drawing 200. This is each consists of 100, 100. So this consists of sugar cane. This consists of 100 sugar cane. Okay, so 200. Then tens. In tens place, how many number is there? Only 1. So only 1 tens packet is there. Package is there. So I am drawing. Okay, in loose items, that is ones. What number is there? 0. So you need not to draw anything here. Leave it as it is. So how many 100 packets is there? 200 packet. How many tens packet is there? In tens place, 1 is there. So 1. How many ones packet is there? How many loose item is there? 0. So I have to write here 0. So 210. Banana. See here, this is ones, tens, hundreds. So how many packets of 100 is there? Check here, how many packets of 100 is there? 2. So 200 packets of banana is there. So here 100, here 100. How many packets of tens are there? In bananas, 4. 4 packets of tens are there. 1 2 3 4. So 4 packets of bananas are there. How many packets of loose items is there? That is in the ones place, 2. So 2 bananas are there. So 200 packets, 4 tens packet, then 2 ones packet. That is loose item is 2. Next, see here, leaves. How many hundreds are there? Check. In hundreds place, what number is there? 5. So 500 packets are there. 500 packets are there. So 500 packets of leaves are there. So this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, and last one, this is also 100. So how many hundreds packet are there in leaves? 500 packets. Next, in tens place, how many number is there? 5. So 5 packets of tens are there. So 5 packets of tens are there. So 5. This one 10, this one 10, this one 10, this one 10, and this one 10. So 5 packets of tens are there. Ones. In loose items, how many is there? 2. 2 number is there. So 2 leaves are there. This is 1, this is 1. So totally 2. Okay. Do you understand the students? We'll move on to next. Lazy crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 notes, then 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. So he gave only in the packets of hundreds, tens and ones. Now he is asking them to pay in the way of hundreds, tens and 1 rupee coins. So they have to pay in this way only in 100 notes, then 10s notes, then 1 rupee coins. So we'll see how much they are paying in hundreds, tens and ones. See, already I said this is ones, tens, hundreds. So how much 100 rupee notes the elephant should give? In 100 place what number is there? 4 is there. So he has to pay 400 rupee note. So 100, 100, 100, 100. How much 100 he has to pay? 400. So I have drawn 400 here. So in hundreds form you have to give 400 next plus in 10 rupee notes how much the elephant has to give. In tens place what is there? 2. So you have to give 2 10 rupee notes. So I am drawing here 2 10 rupee notes. Then in ones place what is there? In how many coins that elephant has to give? In ones place 0 only there. So no need to give any coins, only here. So here 0. So he has to only give, so the elephant has to only give the 400, then 2 10 rupee notes. No need to give coins. So next, rabbit, bunny rabbit. So we'll see how much 100, how much tens and how much coins does the bunny rabbit have to give for the lazy crazy. Here this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. In hundreds place how many number is there? 1. So only 100 rabbit has to give. Then how many 10 rupees note that rabbit has to give? See here in tens place what number is there? 4. So 4 10 rupee notes the rabbit has to give. 4 10 rupee note. Then how many 1 rupee coin the bunny has to give? See here, check here. In ones place what number is there? 3. So 3 1 rupee coin the rabbit has to give to lazy crazy. So 1. Okay students, we understand. Next we move on to this monkey. See how much the monkey has to give to lazy crazy. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So in hundreds place 2 is there. In hundreds place 2 is there. So 200. We'll draw 200 rupee note. Plus how many tens? 10 rupee notes does the monkey have to give? 4. 4. In the place of tens how much number is there? 4. So 4 10 rupee notes. Students, you draw neatly. For me it's not coming. So you draw neatly and write neatly. It's difficult for me to continuously speak and write. So you write neatly. In ones place what is there? 2. So 2 1 rupee coin. Okay, next Next, D. We move on to this D. Ones, tens. Here no 100 rupee notes is there. No 100 rupee notes is there. So only 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins are there. So we'll see. How much 10 rupee notes are there? 5. So we'll draw 5 10 rupee notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 5 is there in one's place. How much 1 rupee coin is there? 5. So 1 rupee coin is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, match with the number. I come between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. I come between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. So they are given the answer, that is 45. See here, 5, it has 5 in its name and it come between 40 and 50. So this is the answer. Already they have matched. We will move on to next sum. I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. See in which number 9 is there and check that is close to 90. That number should be close to 90. In which number 9 is there? This number and this number. So which number is close to 90? 96 or 89? 89 only close to 90 because it is only one number before 90. But this is 6 numbers greater than 90. So this only will be the answer. This is the answer. If you hit 4 after me, you score a century. What is century? Century means 100. If you hit 4 after me means if you add 4 to this number, you will get 100. You have to check which number. If you add 4, you get century. That means 100. So 96 plus 4. What is 96 plus 4? It is 100. 96 after 97, 98, 99, 100. So 96 plus 4 is 100. So this is the answer. So if you add it means if you add 4 after me, you score century, which is 100. Next, I am equal to 10 notes of 10. What is meant by 10 notes of 10? What is 210? What is 210? 210 means 20, 310 means 30, 510 means 50, 710 means 70, 910 means 90, 1010 means 100. 10 notes of 10 is 100. Otherwise you can multiply and check your answer. 10 into 10. For this simple method is there, no, that itself you can do. No need to do as usual method 0 into 0, 0 into 1 into. Don't waste the time, students. You can do in the simple method. For multiplying for 0, what is the simple method we will follow? 1 ones are 1. Then how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So you can write 2 zeros here. Here 1 0, then here 1 0. You can write and find the answer. This method is applicable for only the number that contains 0. Don't use for any other number. That will not be right answer then. So you use this method for only 0. So 10 tens are 100. I am century plus half century. What is century? Century means 100. Plus half century means half of this number 100 is, half of 100 is what? 50. So 100 plus 50 is what? 150. So where is 150? 150 is here. You can add, otherwise you can add in our normal method. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 you can write as it is, which is 150. Next, I am exactly in between 77 and 97. Which number is exactly between 77? This is 10 jumps forward. 77 after 87, 97. Yes, we completed all this. Next, we move on to this page. How many are these? See here, we have to count how many are these. How many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, and how many ones are there. That means loose items. We will write in the easy method ones, tens, hundreds. So how many hundreds are there? 200 are there. So in hundreds place you write 2. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens are there. You write 4 in the tens place. How many ones are there? No ones are there here. No loose items are there. So you can write here 0. So how much rupees? 240 rupees. Otherwise you can write like this. Rupees 100 plus rupees 100. Then plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10. So how much is this? Which is equal to 100 plus 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240. So answer is rupees 240. Next, here you can write ones, tens, hundreds. So how much hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 1 tens are there. How many loose items or ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 319 sticks. 319 sticks. So you can write in this way also. So you can write in this way also. See here how many blocks of hundreds are there, tens are there, ones are there. You can write as it is ones, tens, hundreds. So how many hundreds are there? 2. How many ones, tens are there? 1. How many ones are there? 1, 2. So 212 blocks. Next beads. Next beads. How many 100 beads are there? 1. 100 beads are there. This is fully 100. So ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 1. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. These 3 are tens. 3 tens are there. How many ones or loose items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So next rupees. 100. How much hundreds are there? Ones, tens, hundreds. How much hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. How much tens are there? 2 tens are there. How many ones are there? 1 rupee coins are there? No, there is no 1 rupee coin. So have to put 0 here. So 320. There is no biggest number. The biggest you cannot find, and me to get the next one to count, keep me in the mind. You have to find this answer and tell me. Next. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Hello everybody. So Moon Mama counts his starry friends. I counted 1 star and kept 1 card in my pocket. So for 1 star he kept 1 card in his packet. For 2 star he what Moon Mama, what the Chanda Mama did, he kept 2 cards in his pocket. Okay. So his star friends are coming. So he have to count how many friends are there. So for 1 star he is keeping 1 card in his pockets. Chanda Mama is keeping for 1 card for 1 star in his packet. So check here how many 1 cards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For how many stars? For 5 stars, 5 cards. So here 5 stars are there. Next, when I had 10 1 cards, I changed it with this 10 card. So it is difficult to keep all 1 card in the packet because many stars are there. So when 10 1 card came, Chanda Mama kept 10 that 1 card in his packet. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 cards. When it comes to 10 cards, it changed to only 1 10 card. But my friends kept coming, so I had to count more stars. My pockets were getting full. So when I had 10 cards like this, I changed it with a 100 card. When 10 cards are there, the Chanda Mama what it do? It changed into 100 card. See here, how much 10 cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cards are there. So Chanda Mama changed it to 100, only 100 card. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100 card. But I have so many friends that my pockets kept getting full. Just see how many cards I had. We'll see. Alright, everybody in a line will play a game. AP. Which cards will I have in my pocket if I have counted up to? So this is in the ones place, this is tens. How many tens are there? 10 cards are there. How many ones card are there? 9 1 cards are there. Similarly, we'll write this one, ones tens. How many 10 card is there? See here in tens place, what number is there? 2. So 2 10 cards are there. Then how much? One's card is there, only 1. So only 1 card is there. Ones, tens. How many 10 card is there? 9. 10 card is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10 card is there. 9, 10 card is there. Plus how many 1 card is there? 5. 5 1 card is there. 3, 4, 5. Then for 201 they have given already answer. We'll check it. Ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds place how many numbers there? 2. So 200. In tens place what number is there? 0. So no need to draw the 10 card. So ones. How many ones is there? Only 1. So only 1 they have drawn. See here next. Ones, tens, hundreds. So how many 100? 100 cards are there. See, check in the 100 place what number is there? 200. So 200 cards is there. Then in tens place 6. So 6 10 cards are there. 4, 5, 6. 6 10 cards are there. Then in ones, how many 1 card is there? 0. So you should leave as it is. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. How much 100 cards are there? See here. What number is there? 3. So 300. So how many tens card is there? See here, how many 10 card is there? No. So we no need to keep the tens card. Only 300 card is there. Tens also zeros, ones also 0. So leave it as it is. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. How many 100 cards are there? 300. Students, you draw neatly. For me it's not convenient here, so I'm drawing somewhat. Then how many 10 card is there? No 10 card is there. How many ones card is there? 6. 6 1 card is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 1 card is there. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. How many 100 card is there? 300. 300 ones 300 100 in 100 3 is there, so 300 cards are there. Then tens, what is there? 4. So 4 10 cards. 4 10 cards. How much ones card is there? Ones card is there? 4. So 1 2 3, 4. And again ones, tens, hundreds. How much hundreds is there? 3. 300. 300. How much 10 card is there? 5. 5. 10 card is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have no space here, so I am writing here. How many 1 card is there? No, 0. So leave it as this. Next, 400. Ones, tens, hundreds. 100 card is how much is there? 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 card is there. Ones and tens, 0. Tens and ones, no card is there. 0. Here also 0. So you should leave as it is. Next, we have come to the end of this chapter. This is the last page of this chapter. When I had 10 cards in my pocket, I knew I had counted 20. Yes, 10 means how much? 20 stars. Now you tell me the number of stars counted in each case. Write the answer in the blank space. So 10 is 20. They have given the answer already. We'll count this one. How many 10 is there? 2 10 is there. So I am writing 2 in the place of tens. Then how many ones is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones are there. So answer is 26. So how much hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? Only 1 tens is there. In ones place, what number is there? What is there? Nothing is there. So you have to put 0. You should not leave as it is if ones are not there. Ones are not there means you have to fill it with 0. Listen students, you have to fill it with 0 when one is not mentioned here in this question. Okay, you should not just write 31. Next, how much 100 are there? 100 is there? Only 100. How many 10 is there? 3 10 is there. How many ones is there? No ones is there. So you have to write what? 0. You should not leave as it is. Then your answer will be wrong. Here see how much hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in hundreds place you write 4. If you are feeling difficult, you can write ones, tens, 100 on the top and you can write. So in hundreds place I am writing 4. How many tens are there? No tens are there. So you should not leave as it is. You should put 0 if tens is not there. How many ones are there? No ones are there. For that also you have to put 0. So answer is 400. Next, here. How many hundreds are there? We'll write ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? No tens are there. So what you should do in the place of 10? 0. You have to put 0. How many ones are there? 3 ones. So answer is 603. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? Only 1 10 is there. So write 1 in the place of 10. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones are there. So answer is 316. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are there. How many ones are there? Only 1. So only 1 is there. So answer is 431. See here. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only hundreds are there. No tens or no ones. So how will you write? In hundreds place you write only 4. Remaining you have to put 0. In tens also 0. In ones also 0. Guess how many starry friends I have in all. You have to check how many. Sorry, here I have wrote how many hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hundreds. So I have written wrongly. 4. So that is 10 hundred. Okay. 10 100 means what? Which moves to 1000. Ones, tens, hundreds, this is 1000. We can tell this as 1000. Okay, this is 10 100 or 1000. Okay. Okay students, we move on to this. Guess how many starry friends I have in all. So check how many starry friends are there in all. Here 10 stars are there, here 10 stars are there. 10 plus 10 is 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So totally 38 starry friends are there. Successfully we completed this second chapter. Now this lesson is completed. I hope you understand this concept. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll get my future notification. Thank you. Be safe. Be home.